YouTube for your network marketing business? Can you really use that platform to help you grow your network marketing business? Well, I'm going to share with you my 4 tips that I've used in order to get orders coming in on autopilot, people joining my team, all through my YouTube videos, and it is by far my most favorite social media platform. And I'm going to share with you my 4 strategies that I've used in order to help me hit the top ranks of my company with my YouTube channel. So make sure you stay tuned. And hey, if we are just meeting, my name is Julie Reynolds, and I help network marketers brand themselves with confidence and build their dream business online. On this channel, I give you weekly tips on how to build your network marketing business online using the same strategies I've used to hit the top ranks of my company. So make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you never miss out. All right, so let me tell you a little story about what happened when I started to use YouTube about a little over a year ago in my network marketing business. So I started to craft these videos on my flagship product, and before I knew it, I was starting to get orders on autopilot that were showing up. So my company sends me a text. I was like, I don't know who that person is. And then the next day it was like another one, and before I knew it, my video for my network marketing company has 20,000 views on the product that I've done my orders on. And then what happens are people are messaging me and they're saying, we'd like to do this with you. Can I sign up? So I get orders on autopilot. I get people joining my team on autopilot, all because of YouTube. All right, so the first thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that you set up a channel on your YouTube page that makes you look like you're the authority, that makes you look like you're a professional. So you want to have a great banner, you want to have a great bumper intro to your video, you want to make sure that you're looking like a professional, right? And so take some time, make sure that you're crafting all of that. Then the second thing that I would say is you want to create content around your products. What I love about YouTube is that people are searching specifically for your company or your product name. Now, I am all about using attraction marketing and I'm all about using value, but the great thing with YouTube is you can kind of mix them both in. And so you'll see even in this channel here, I've got product videos and opportunity videos about my company, but then I also do give you great tips like this on how to build your network marketing business using attraction marketing, right? But what the nice thing about YouTube is people are specifically searching for your product and your company. They're not searching for you. So you're the face that shows up behind that when you craft the videos the right way. Now, I do have a masterclass that goes into full detail about how I've crafted and how I've been able to grow my network marketing business so successfully for YouTube. It's in the descriptions below, so make sure you click on it, and I'm going into full detail with you over there in that masterclass. So make sure you click that video, that link below. Now, my third strategy that I have for you is you want to make sure that you're optimizing your videos the right way. YouTube is a search engine optimized, so you want to make sure that you're using long tail keywords and long tail tags when you're uploading and you're crafting your videos. Now, if you were like me, where you don't really have a YouTube channel, you don't have channel authority. So it's really key that you're optimizing your video using the long tail keywords. And in my masterclass, I go into great detail about what that means and what that looks like. So make sure you click that description, that link in the description, so that you can get it. And then my fourth tip for you is consistency is key, right? So just like any other social media platform where you want to show up consistently, YouTube is the exact same way. So I consistently now for a year have shown up putting out 1 video a week. Yes, that's all it takes is 1 video a week on YouTube to be consistent, to grow my channel. And I craft that video specifically for YouTube. So what I would say to you is you don't want to, I see this all the time with network marketers, is they take their lives and then they go and they upload them onto YouTube. And what I would say is you don't want to do that. They're 2 very different platforms, and the structure video of a YouTube video and the structure of a live video on YouTube or on Facebook or Instagram or whatever other social media platform is very different. And so they're 2 different beasts. So my YouTube videos are specifically for YouTube, and then I go and I do my live video specifically for the other social media platforms. Now, what I will say is you can take your YouTube video and you can share it to your IGTV, you can share it to your Facebook, but I would definitely start with YouTube in mind as the starting point for your videos, if that makes sense. So don't forget to click that link for the masterclass if you guys want more in-depth training on how to use YouTube for your network marketing business. And my question of the day for you is, have you had success on YouTube? Yes or no? Put it in the comments. I would love to hear it. And if there's any questions that you have, put them in the comments below. This is Julie Reynolds with another episode of Julie Reynolds TV. I will see you next week. Have a good one.